Hi guys, it's me, Mickey Mouse. I'm flying this Airbus A320. I have no idea what I'm doing. How do you fly this thing? Why did it just randomly turn night? Oh, guys, I have an idea. Is that a runway over there? Should I go land? Flight limits? What are flight limits? I just want to land. Go around? I have no idea what the heck I'm doing. Can someone help me? What the? Oh, crap. I think we have to land in this forest. Because I overshot the runway. Help me? Someone help me. I have no idea how to fly this freaking plane. Let's see. Why don't we just go around and go back to the airport? That's a great idea. The airport's inside. Can see it. Okay. I think I got the hang of it. It just took off. Help me? Wait a minute. I think I know how to land this thing. You gotta turn on the brakes. You've gotta turn on the brakes. Right when you land. Okay, we're gonna do that. Okay. Heading in. And... Ow! We bounced! We bounced! What is this, FedEx Flight 80? No! No! Oh, I did it! I freaking did it! I landed this plane! I'm gonna taxi now. Taxi! I want a taxi. Okay, I want a taxi now. Alright! We have landed this plane. Hello, passengers and crew. We have made it successfully. We have successfully landed. I do not know what the heck I'm doing, but I like it. Wait a minute. Why is the plane speeding up? No! No! Why is it going up? I'm not telling it to go up. What? Oh my gosh! I think we're dying. Oh my gosh, we're about to crash into that freaking plane! Help me! Help me! Help! 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 Bro! Tower! Tower! Bro, I think I'm gonna crash into one of these buildings. Okay, say hi, 9/11!